सब्जेक्ट कोड 109 ई प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 10। आज का टॉपिक है टेस्टिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट सच एज रेजिस्टेंस, कैपेसिटर, इंडक्टर, डायोड एंड ट्रांजिस्टर यूजिंग डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर, presented by Bhavani Paliwal, GPC Udaipur. This is the digital multimeter. Digital multimeter is test tool used measure two or more electrical value, principally voltage in volt, current in ampere and resistance in ohm. It is standard diagnostic tool for technicians in the electrical or electronics industry. Resistor is one of the component you will come across an integrated circuit like the name suggests. The device resists the flow of current. We will test the resistance using digital multimeter. Pick out the random resistor and set the multimeter to 20 kilo ohm setting. Then hold the probe against the resistor leg with the same amount of pressure. When pressing a key on keyboard, the meter will read one of three things: 0.001 or actual resistance value. Capacitors are components can store electrical charge temporarily. It comes in different variety, with the most common one being electrolytic and ceramic disc. The testing procedure of capacitor. To test the capacitor with multimeter, set the meter to read in the high ohm range, somewhere about 10 kilo ohm and 1 mega ohm. Touch the meter lead to the corresponding lead on capacitor. Read to positive and black on to negative. The meter should start at 0, then moving slowly towards infinity. Diode allow electric current to flow in single direction only. It has two terminals known as anode is positive and cathode is negative. Procedure of diode using digital multimeter. The diode testing using a digital multimeter can carried in two ways because there are some mode available in digital multimeter to check the diode. These modes are diode mode and ohm mode. Identify the terminal anode and cathode of the diode. Keep the digital multimeter in diode checking mode, rotating the central knob to the place where the diode symbol is indicated. In this mode, multimeter is capable to supply a current of 2 milliampere approximately between test lead. Connect the red probe to anode and black probe to cathode. Observation: the reading on meter display. If displayed voltage is in between 0.6 to 0.7, since it in silicon diode, then diode is highly heatedly. A perfect for germanium diode, the value between 0.25 to 3 volt. Inductor are passive component that store energy in form of magnetic field. The test procedure of inductor is to test the inductor with a multimeter in ohm meter, setting the resistance to set to check the whether an inductor is good or not is, is by testing the inductor's resistance with our multimeter set to the ohm meter setting. By taking the inductor resistance, we can determine whether the indicator is good or bad. Transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signal to electrical power. The test procedure of transistor is hook the positive lead from the multimeter to the base of transistor. Hook the negative meter lead to ammeter of the transistor. For a good NPN transistor, the meter should show a voltage drop between 0.45 volt to 0.9 volt. If testing PNP transistor, we should see lower limit of the transistor. Thank you.